In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly with Zoom in just 5 minutes. This integration is incredibly useful, especially if you're looking to seamlessly schedule and conduct meetings with ease. Whether you're a business professional managing multiple appointments or simply someone who enjoys staying organized, linking these two powerful tools can make your life a whole lot easier. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to calendly.com. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button, typically found in the top right corner of the page. This will prompt you to enter your login details, starting with your email address. Type in your email and then click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password. After entering it, hit Continue once more to be directed to your Calendly dashboard, also known as the home page. Now that you've successfully logged into Calendly, it's time to set up the integration. On the homepage, look for the Integrations and Apps section and give that a click. This is where you'll connect Zoom to your Calendly account. Scroll through the available integrations until you find Zoom. Click on it to open the connection options. Here you'll see two choices. You can either connect Zoom for your entire organization or just for yourself. For the purposes of this demonstration, let's go ahead and click on Connect Zoom for myself. You'll then be redirected to the Zoom sign-in page. Enter your Zoom email and password to log in. Once you're authenticated with Zoom, you'll find yourself back on Calendly with the Zoom integration now active. It's important at this stage to ensure your Zoom account is correctly linked, as this will allow your meetings to be scheduled and conducted smoothly through the two platforms. Now that Zoom is connected, let's configure how it schedules events. Go to the Event Types section in Calendly, which is accessible from your home page. Here you'll want to select an event you'd like to pair with Zoom. Click on the event to open its details. Once you're viewing the event details, find and click on the Location tab. Under Location Options, choose Zoom as the preferred location for this meeting type. Selecting Zoom will ensure that whenever this event type is booked, a Zoom meeting will automatically be created and added to the calendar invitation. Finally, remember to save these settings by clicking the Save